Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is not a good day. We are here at yard 1, where one of our trees has fell in our neighbor's yard. I have to tell him I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna get the tree cut down today. So that's what I'm doing. I just said I'm gonna record some of it, not all of it, because it's a lot of work got to get done, so I can't record all of it. You see, I can't record all of it, just some of it. Make a path through here where I can walk through. Make a path where I can walk through. You see? Hope I don't come in contact with no creepy crawlies, like, not crawlies, because snakes don't crawl. They slither. So yes. That's what. Come along with me while I do this. Why I cut all this stuff out the way to get to this tree back here. Okay. What is this? What kind of tree is this? Okay, guys, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm a little further with this. I came a long way here, but I'm not gonna cut this dang thing. I can get my chainsaw and just cut it down, but for what? For what? Get it out of the way. Okay. Okay. And there it is. Right here on the hill. It's like, it's really seemed like it's on, like it's between both of our lands, really, to be honest with you, but you know. But we'll see. All right, this is the tree right here. This is it right here. This is the tree. Jeez. Okay. I'm gonna have to get the chainsaw. And I think I'm gonna cut this one down, get out of my way so I can just cross over there. Okay. Okay, guys, we're going to start on these limbs. Okay. I'll do a little bit, then I'm gonna cut the camera off and come back to y'all when we're further in. Okay guys, we will be right back when we're further. Okay guys, this is how far we got so far. No time at all. This is how far we got. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. Not today. I'm gonna do probably about I'm gonna get it to about right here for the day, and we'll come back Monday, because I am one person, you know. So, but I'll get back with y'all when we're there. It's coming along. Some bees flying around here. I hope there ain't no bee nest in the street somewhere, because that would bring this operation to a halt. It will stop it in its tracks, because I do not want to get stung by bees. Jesus. I was not planning on doing no work today. You see? I wasn't planning on doing work today, you see? I was planning on resting, sitting on my couch and watching YouTube. Now, that's all I was going to do today, guys. But I had to come do this. Yeah, I had to come do this. And I guess I'll pick this stuff up on the last, when we fully got it all up. Then I'll come clean all this mess up. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna have to put it in the back of the yard, yard 1, because I can't leave it here. So I gotta put it in the back of yard 1 over here. Yeah. But that won't be until probably Tuesday or Monday. It could be Monday. And if I get it all cut up Monday, then yeah, it'll be Monday. But okay guys, I will be back with you when we're about here, and we'll be stopping for the day. Yeah. we'll be stopping for the day. Man, what a day. Was not planning on having my day. Should I get a couple more shots cutting? Maybe I should, because I got to cut this mess up right here because it's all in my way. It's all in my way, I tell you. Let me just cut this with this. Get out of my way. Okay. Do have bees around here, but I think if a nest was in here, they'll be swarming all around. So I don't think none is here. I gotta cut this and separate it from this other piece over here. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna rest the camera, guys. We're gonna get the chainsaw. Come on, crank. Stop this thing doing this. Oh, I'm tired. Let's go. Crank, you stupid chainsaw. This thing, it tires me out cranking it more than cutting. Sorry guys, it ain't cranking. I have to come back when it's all done. Sorry about that. There you have it, guys. I went a little farther than I planned to, you see. I went all the way to the end of the stump down there. I might even cut the bottom of the stump out. I don't know. You see? I might cut this part out too down here and just leave the root kick up. Yeah, I think I am going to cut this out right here. Now, but not today. I'm finished for the day. I'm finished for the day. Look at that. True is big because it make a coffee table. It's nice. Look at the color of that. Man, I like that. What kind of tree is this? With a center like that, this gotta be some kind of tree. I don't even know what kind of tree this is. I know you can tell how old a tree is by counting something in here. But I am finished for the day, guys. Tired. I'm ready to go home and take a shower and watch some TV. Maybe some movies for the night. Horror. I love horror movies, so that's what I might do, guys. Get out of here. Lord. Hey. Jesus. Lord. When I say it was hot today, it was hot today. Back in yard 1. Well, we was in yard one all the way from the tree, but yeah. All right, guys. This is the end of this one. Still got to come back tomorrow or either Monday. No, I'm not gonna come back tomorrow. It's Father's Day tomorrow, so I will not be back here tomorrow. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. I don't know which yard, guys. Pick one. Well, wait a minute. I gotta pick one. And I don't know yet, guys. Peace.